gotta get out of this. I gotta think fast. Oh boy, they dropped the rabbit. Look, fella, I'm in Tin Can. Now I got you. You're a dead rabbit.
Telegram for Elmer Fudd.
What's up, Doc? Dear nephew, I'm leaving you $3 million in my will. Uncle Louie. Oh boy, I'm rich. P.S. But you don't get 1 cent if you harm any animals, especially rabbits. You're free now, little rabbit. Go and romp and frolic in the forest. Oh boy, I'm rich. Okay, fellas, break it up. $3 million. I'm just an angel in the sky. Please, Mr. Rabbit, go on back to the forest where you belong. Being nice with the rabbit. What are you trying to do? Kill me? You're fixing my skull. I'm gonna call Uncle Louie. That's what I'm gonna do. Operator. Hey, you got an echo? Hello, operator. Give me walnut treat. Oh, that's you, mate? How's everything as a king? Please, Mr. Rabbit, don't call Uncle Louie. I won't hurt you again. I promise. Well, okay. But watch your step after this, fat boy. Hey, what do you got to eat around this joint? Eat? Oh, fix this guy. Hey, so quickly, huh? Step right this way. That'll mix him. Right, that dirty double crossing. Get me the Academy Award. Say goodbye to Uncle Louie for me. Uncle Louie? What have I done? $3 million all shot to pieces. Don't die, little rabbit. Please don't die. Rock-a-bye, baby, on a treetop. When the wind blows your cradle. Next up, swing it. Rock-a-bye, baby, on a treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. Now come, baby. Special delivery. Your Uncle Louie has kicked the bucket. You now inherit $3 million. Inheritance tax, 2 million. Defense tax, Pitcairn County, which leaves you owing us $1.98. Please remit. You don't get the dough, eh, Butterball? No, but I'm gonna get you. Yes. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Easter greetings. What's up, Pat?